Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box once again. I'm Karthik, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how can we make this kind of you can say this letter icon. So here you can clearly look that this is a gradient. I'm using here gradient. So now the main point of view is how can we make this. So let's start. So making this type of logo illustration, this is a C, and how can control you have to choose first of all ellipse tool. For the shortcut of choosing ellipse tool is L, okay, ellipse. So now Shift and Alt press and hold at a time and drag here. So make a here I'm choose the gradient. So this looks like that, and nice. So let's start here. This is the first ellipse, and now select the first ellipse and press copy and F, Control and C, Control and F for the paste it forward. So I'm going to change the color of this forward circle so you can differentiate clearly. So this is our back ellipse, this is our front ellipse, okay. So little bit of small this size. So now what I'm going to do here, select both of this and hold Alt and press this ellipse and horizontal center and vertical align center, okay. Now see, this is perfectly aligned in center. Now press Alt and drag one more, and see, this is another circle here. Now change the border color, outline color, and 10%, 10, 14, okay, nice. Now press it here, perfectly align to this circle. So first of all, for perfectly aligned and perfectly aligned or not, how can you see this? For seeing this, you have to press Ctrl and Y. For Y, you can see the outline mode. This is the outline mode, and keep it in mind. Press Ctrl and Y for viewing the outline mode. So this is our circle and perfectly aligned with this circle. So Ctrl Y once again, or out from outline mode, okay. Now zoom out once again. This is this curve, and now another curve we have to make another curve. Yes, this is this point we have to, okay. from outline mode. So select both of this, and first of all this one and this one, shift, hold shift, and go to the Pathfinder tool. So you can here you can see Pathfinder. Go to Windows, from Pathfinder. So Pathfinder shortcut is Shift, Control, and F9 for the window user. So I'm click here. So what I'm going to do here, so minus this unnecessary part, I'm not going to use here. So now you can clearly visualize this part is necessary for this part, and this is this part. Now imagine how can we get this part. So for getting this part, we need to unite this portion. So first of all, I'm going to use here a trick. So first of all, we need to divide everything. Now we divide everything. So ungroup it and remove the unnecessary part. First of all, I'm not going to use here. Not necessary. Okay. Now see. Imagine first of all. See. This is the portion and this is the portion. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to say builder tool. Now this is the C, this is the little bit of plus sign underneath of this cursor. So just drag this line. Okay, this is united. Now this is one. Now see this. Okay, now these portions I have to unite it. So select this portion, and now just the plus sign underneath of this cursor. Now unite it, and now see, this is the gap. How can I get this gap? So getting this gap, I'm going to use here a rectangle tool and put it here. Little bit of down, and so okay. Now nice. Okay, now minus, sorry, doing mess here. So another time say builder tool. Now hold alt. See, a little bit of minus sign appear in the below of the cursor. So drag the unwanted piece which you do not want, particularly this type of design. Now see, this is okay. Now you can clearly visualize this shape and this similar. So now the main part is gradient. So I have some gradient templates here. So I'm going to use this kind of gradient here. So let's give me a nice effect. So big size. So okay. Now drag it. First of all, gradient. second option from here, gradient. Okay, so put this gradient here, drag it. I think this is better, so drag it here, fill. So and another point of view, this is this one. Yes, I'm going to use this portion. So this one, another kind of thing I can use here. So this blue would be better. So drag it here. Another. Select it. Now put the eyedropper tool and click here. Okay. Now put this, but it's not gradient. Let's give some to color effect. So select it. There, another, okay, reverse it, nice gradient, or you can put this kind of gradient here. And this is actually this gradient. You can reverse this gradient. Reverse. If you reverse this, you can get gradient like this. So I'm going to change the degree from here. So let's use some natural type of blue. That's good. Now the main portion is how can we give this kind of shadow effect. So this is very easy. So I need a ellipse here, a circle. So you can see the default white and black gradient is default here. So click once again, and I'm going to use this part. This is actually 0, and now I'm going to put it here. And opacity 0. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, towards the white, white portions, 56, no problem. Now linear to radial, so just going to radial effect. So now what I'm going to do, opacity 50% and black maybe color and 50% looks nice. So it is give nice shadow effect and looks like a shadow. Now put it here, and no. shadow effect, and please this is better to set opacity and modify and changes 60%, 100%. Good. Aspects. So here, this is the end part of this tutorial. So please subscribe, and if you think this is a helpful video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be give me inspirations, and in future I will produce very good inspirational video tutorial about illustrations, about anything in computer related. So thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.